All right. Okay, we're going to switch gears now and listen to this really shocking report. It is a report by the National Authority for the Campaign Against Alcohol and Drug Abuse, that's NACADA, that has revealed that school children as young as 4 years old are abusing drugs. The report shows use of drugs and substance abuse in schools is higher among pupils in, get this, Nyanza, Enoxicolia. Here's the details.
Now imagine a 6-year-old child sniffing tobacco or even chewing miraa. Shocking as it may be, that is the picture a study by NACADA has painted of the situation in primary schools across the country. The report states that at least 17% of pupils in primary schools are abusing drugs. As per the study, 7.2% of pupils were currently using prescription drugs, 3.2% were using tobacco, 2.6% were using alcohol, 2.3% miraa and mogoka, 1.2% were on inhalants, and 1.2% on heroin.
We are interacting with the reality that we are currently facing.
The report shows that tobacco was the most available and abused substance at 41.9%, followed by prescription drugs at 27.8%, alcohol at 25.9%, and miraa at 23.1%. The survey involved 3,307 pupils from 177 primary schools spread across 25 counties. The survey showed that pupils were most likely to use drugs during school holidays, on the way from school, during weekends, and during inter-school competitions. The current use of alcohol is higher in Uasin Gishu and Kisii counties at 7.5 and 6.0%, while the use of tobacco among pupils is high in Kisii, Nairobi, and Kisumu counties at 8, 7.7 and 6.9%. Kirinyaga leads in the use of inhalants at 5%. Kiosks and shops near schools have been identified as the major source of drugs for people, standing at 28.6% and followed by bars near schools at 25.7%. Pupils also buy drugs from school workers, matatu touts, chemists and peddlers that roam around schools. According to NACADA, pupils who use drugs and other substances are likely to experience a decline in academic performance. Pupils from families where parents were using drugs or substances of abuse are more likely to use the substances. Pupils with friends or schoolmates abusing drugs are also likely to copy.
It's a paradigm shift of taking the whole issue of drug activities and programs to the grassroots. If those numbers we have had, if the age of 4 and 11 is anything to go by.
Elgeyo Marakwet, Machakos and Kilifi are counties where the availability of alcohol near schools is high. Bang is more available around schools in Garissa, Isiolo and Makueni counties, while tobacco prevalence near schools is high in Elgeyo Marakwet and Murang'a counties. Enoxicolia, Citizen TV, Nairobi.